Broadcast. Broadcast. Bang! Well, welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. What day is today? Wednesday, November the 16th, 2011. What a day. What a day. I feel like a deer in headlights. What a day. Everything was looking so pretty. You know what's amazing? Like, I'm always looking for something not good, and, well, they really gave one. I mean, that's all. It's amazing. This market, all it needs is a little bad news, and that's it. That's it. That's all it needs. Little bad news, and that's it. And sure enough, that's what happened. Fitch downgrading U.S. banks, possible downgrade on potential for default and write-downs, causing the market to absolutely collapse. Oh, baby. Unfortunately, I was long. I was in denial. I didn't believe it was that big of a story. And gave it all back. Round trip. But certainly, I think it does set the stage for tonight. You know, it's amazing. An hour ago, I was going to tell you folks a totally different story than I'm going to tell you now, which is a joke. But I'll tell you what, we're going to look at this S&P chart as you take a look here. Look at that. They broke it out. And again, those of you who are very technical, and again, look at this wedge. This was pretty significant. They break it out, and then they break it down. This is the real move. So I think we're heading lower. Oh, sorry, people. I think we're heading lower. There's a 5-minute chart of the S&P 500. I'll get to the dollar index in 1 second. But really broke through. I mean, they were trying to break through. I thought we were going to close higher, above 1260. Everything was looking golden. Can't believe it. Back. Crude exploding over par today, over 100, closing at 101.78. Gold, 1763. But dollar index, really the story of the day. Up, down, up. Oh, baby. Look at this. Look at this chart. This is an intraday 5-minute chart of the dollar index. Up, down, up, down, up. Wow. I know it's only 30-cent moves, but, you know, if I put something else there, like the euro, you'll see we had some nice big swings today. I mean, big. Mucho grande. Quarterly inflation report out of London was disgusting, downgrading everything and everything. Assessment, GDP, inflation, 2-year target, under 2%. Not good. Not good. So, you know, we look at this dollar index. The daily just doesn't do it justice, does it? And once again, the dollar index continues to rally and the S&P is relatively range-bound, which tells us the S&P is probably coming in. Most probably. And, you know, we have no choice. We have no choice. But you know what? It just was an end of the day fracking. And fracking, by the way, is what they do to get the natural gas out of the water, out of the ground. So, you know, I wasn't cursing. But we look at this dollar index, and, I mean, it certainly looks good. And, again, from a fib level, when we take a look at the fib, we took it out. We're above it. We're clean. We're through. Gone. Like the wind. So, any pullback in this dollar index is a buy. I think we can now be easily heading towards 79.50 in that zone. So it looks like we look good. S&P 500. Let's jump right to that because you know what? It ain't looking very good. And it was looking so good. But look at that close. Disgusting. Now we're going to hit my 12.22, 25. Easy. I know. Freehand. Now we hit this. But we could roll over. Listen, this is a monster wedge. Look at this S&P. We are wedging in a major way. Maybe it's break it down to break it out. I don't know. Third base. But I got to tell you, they are drilling everything and everything. And we take a look at this S&P. It doesn't look very good. Rolling over, wedging. Say bye-bye. And I was so ready to be bullish. You have no idea. Big. Ready. Bull. And the bear's back. I couldn't justify myself in telling you to be long here. Short the dollar long stocks. No freaking way. There's only one way to be, baby. Only one way to be. Short. And this Fitch story just again goes to show you any little news story. They sell first and ask questions later. Please, sir, may I have another? Again, we look at all the numbers. Claiming count was a little bit better out of London, but average earnings were terrible. Unemployment rate going up to 8.3%. Not good. Again, inflation report was dismal. Disgusting out of London. Terrible. CPI in the U.S. a little bit light. Foreign flows of capital a little bit better. Industrial production a little bit better. Housing market index even also a little better. Cable collapsing into the close. Oh my goodness. Euro also. I'm telling you. Even crude inventory is a little bit better. Tonight, we get some numbers coming out of New Zealand. PPI. Look for those numbers to be light once again. Absolutely. Oh, smart man, Andre. Showed everything at 1260. Good man. Excellent job. Well, where do we go from here? Oh, we're going lower. Other than that, really nothing else out. Leading index out of China at 9 o'clock. London, retail sales, decent number, looking for a decrease of 0.2%. I think it comes out worse. I'm going to take a look at this euro. It's going out with a whimper. Terrible. Couldn't even close strong. At 35.50, this sucker was looking like a gorgeous hammer. Now it doesn't look very good. I think retail sales is going to be weaker out of London. Canadian foreign flows of capital, 9.26 billion. Building permits out of the U.S. unemployment claims, 396. Housing starts supposed to be at 610,000. Philly Fed, only 8.7. Last month was 8.7. I think it might be better. Mortgage delinquencies last month up to 8.4%. And that's it. Again, it's all about the stock market, in my opinion. All about the stock market. Looks terrible. We look at this euro. You know, I had this channel line. It was looking so freaking gorgeous. Everything was so great today. I was so at ease. And then stabbed in the back by Fitch. The knife. I think we retest that 134 level. Going lower. Dropped almost 100 pips from the highs. I sold some at 135.55. Bought some back at 45. Thought I was smart. Freaking idiot. Where can we go in the euro? Well, I'll tell you what. We suddenly now blown through. We're blown through. 134 easy, if not lower. Going lower, baby. Euro Swiss, really nowhere. Still looks good, though. Looks like it wants to explode. I got to tell you, this Euro Swiss looks very good. Amazing. It doesn't even move when the stock market goes down. You would think risk off, baby. You would think Swiss would rally. No soup for us. Euro yen, crazy day. Just a crazy, crazy, crazy day. Nuts, I tell you. Euro yen going lower. Absolutely. Dollar yen holding fairly decent. Not so bad, dollar yen. Euro yen looks like it wants to go to 103. 102.75 EZ. Euro sterling had a nice day. Held. 85 level, very big in Euro sterling. I think, again, the London report was terrible. And I think this pound gets whacked across the board. Dollar Canada now going, my target back up. My target now in dollar Canada, 103.50. We'll get to it in a second. How about this Euro Canada, though? New 2-month low. I'm telling you, is a blue horseshoe call. I love it. I almost said it. Love it. This is toast. Euro's toast. This is toast. My target's 134. It's rolling over. Sell any pop. Any pop. Oh my goodness, would you look at this thing go? Look at it. Euro dollar collapsing into the close. Cable collapsing. Everything going down. Say bye-bye. Ay, ay, ay. Dollar yen. This is terrible. Dollar yen. Daily chart. It's holding. It's going nowhere. I would sell the strength again. It's going back down to the lows. Stop trying to think the BOJ is going to be there for you. They come around once in a while. That's it. Dollar Canada. Oh, it's ready to go. Ronnie boy, this baby's ready to go. Lock and load. Lock and load. I think this baby's ready to explode. That's 103.70 EZ. Easy. To the moon. To the moon, Alice. Fly me to the freaking moon. I just want this Euro Canada rally a little bit. I just want this Euro Canada rally a lot so we can sell it. Sell! Sell! Sell everything. This was not a good close. Unless there's good news out, you've got to sell. 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 Sell, sell, sell. Dollar Swiss, so it wants to go higher. I still can't get over this. An hour ago, I was all sitting pretty. Everything was good. Going up, comfortable, delicious. And then this. Stab in the back. Someone knew. Sterling, disgusting. Looks terrible. Closing at the lows. We're going lower. We're going to the fib. You want to be short sterling. God, we're going to 156 easy. 156.24. 100 pips. Easy. Faux show. I'll tell you what, some of these other ones. Pound Aussie, it's going to go. Look at that. Held 55. I'm now bullish. I'm bullish. Can you believe it? Look at that. Held the 10, 20, 20, 30 exponential. We're going up. That's a buy after the 5 p.m. close. Hell yes. Watch yourself in that pound kiwi. It's a new closing high. It actually looks good. It didn't come in. Oh, we're going to explode. Uh-oh. Oh, baby. Aussie dollar going to 99. 99. I just can't get over it. I'm so bearish now. Watch the ultimate frack job. Fracking. New closing low. Aussie dollar. I think we got to talk fib. Hello. 99.20. Paint day. C. Look at this Aussie yen. Oof, killed. This closing terrible. Sell on the close. Big time. Dollar ain't even rallying a little bit. And of course, New Zealand. I really thought this Kiwi was going to really do it. I thought this Kiwi was the ticket out of here. Not now. It's busted. That's it. It's closing terrible. Going lower. Go to my channel in here. Yes, sir, Bob. Goldman Sachs has a 77 year-end target. Looks like 75. Check change. How about crude? Let's take a look. Breaking out to the moon. Breaking out. Going higher. Another one with the fib. No, I didn't want that. Gone. Like the wind. The train is leaving the station. Got to get on board. And this is all because of Israel. And all because of Israel. Israel is on the verge of attacking Iran. This is blowing up out of proportion. Obama is the worst foreign policy president we've ever had. Yes. Has he been a good military president? Yeah. He actually has done okay with his drones. He's been great with the drones. But he has not had smart foreign policy. And if anything, foreign leaders are laughing at him. You know who likes him? Sarkozy. Makes sense. Because he wants his wife. That's why. Medvedev can't stand Obama. Thinks, forget it. Sarkozy likes him. The French like Obama. How do you like that? Gold. Looks like it's rolling over a little bit. Gold can't punch through 1800. It's a huge spot in gold. And that's it, people. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Team, I'll see you back at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Maybe sooner. Give me half an hour. 30 minutes. I'll be back. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me info, info at globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton. Up big, gave it back. The only voice you'll ever need. True loves to make you money. Have a good one.